Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 5. We have already done few questions. You can have a look at the previous video. So we'll start with question number 8. In a class of 50 students, 1 by 5 are the members of drama club, 1 by 10 are the members of debating society, and the remaining children are the members of either mathematics club or science club. So how many students are the members of drama club and debating club? So now let us see first. It is given that total number, we'll start with total number of students is given as there are total 50 students. Number of students in drama club, it is given 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 of what? Of the total number. So 1 by 5 into 50. So that is going to be 10. Number of students in debating society, that is given as 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 of 50. So that is going to be 5. So how many students are there this one? Members of drama club and debating society? So this is 10 and this is 5. So what fraction of the total number of students are the members of mathematics or science club? So total number of students in drama or debating club we got as this 10 and 5. So that is going to be, total is going to be 15. So students in mathematics or science club means from 50, we are going to subtract this 15. So that is going to be 35, but we want a fraction of it. So fraction of total number of students in mathematics or science club, that will be 35 out of, that is 50. So here if we simplify 35 out of 50, so if we are dividing this both by 5, so that is going to be 7 by 10. So the answer is 7 by 10. A book consists of 550 pages. Preeti has read 4 by 5 of the book. How many pages did she read? So total number of pages of a book is 550. So 4 by 5 of the book means 4 by 5 of 550. So that is going to be, when you simplify this, this is going to be 110. So that will be 440. So we can say Preeti read 440 pages. Mohan covers a distance of 7 integers 1 by 3 kilometer in 1 hour by car. How much distance will he cover in 6 hours? So this is very easy. So first thing you have to write distance covered in 1 hour, that is 7 integers 1 by 3 kilometer, but this is in mixed fraction. So let us make it to improper. So this will be 210 plus this one, 211 by 3 kilometer. So we can see the distance covered in 6 hours. That is going to be in 1 hour. That is 211 by 3. So in 6 hours, that will be how much? So what will you do? This hours, this one below the other. So you are going to cross multiply. So that is going to be 211 by 3 multiplied by 6. So now we'll simplify this one. So this is going to be 422 kilometer. This is the answer. Arman spends 4 by 5 of his income on household expenses. His monthly income is 20,000. How much does he save every month? So monthly income of Arman, that is rupees 20,000. So he is spending 4 by 5 of his monthly, of his income. So that will be 4 by 5 into 20,000. So this is going to be 5 ones are 5, this will be 4,000. So you multiply this one, that is going to be 16,000. So they have asked here, how much does he save every month? So from the monthly savings will be the monthly income minus, this is his spending, means that is the expenditure. So 20,000 minus 16,000, which is going to be 4,000. So we can say Arman saves rupees 4,000 every month. Find the area of a rectangular garden which is 30 integers 2 by 7 meter long and 21 meter wide. So let us write the given things first. Length of rectangular garden is 30 integers 2 by 7. So when you simplify this one, that is going to be, you are going to write this one, because this is a mixed one, you are going to write it to improper one. So that will be 210 plus 2, that is going to be 212 by 7 meter. And the wide means the width is given as 21 meter. So this is a rectangular garden So what will you do? You know the formula for the rectangular garden, that is length into width, because here you can also write as breadth, but since the word wide is used, we can put here width, both is the same. So the length is given as 212 by 7 into this 21. So 7 ones are 7 threes are. So when you multiply this into this one, so that is going to be 636, because this is area. So the unit is going to be meter square, or you can also write it square meter. Both is the same. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of other parts. Thank you.